Hey everyone, my name is Andrew. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can utilize abandoned cart / checkout emails within the Shopify and Go HighLevel integration. Let's get right to it. Now, before we do anything, we need to set up the Shopify and HighLevel integration using an app within our Shopify dashboard. So head to your Shopify and then go ahead and search up develop app in order to find the way to build a custom app within your Shopify platform. Go ahead and allow your custom app development. And this is how we're going to get started to build our actual app. Once you get here, go ahead and click Create App, and of course, name the app. This is just so we can set up our integration. Now, there's just two important things we need to do here. Go ahead and go to Configuration, and then click Configure next to Admin API Integration. All we need to do is allow access for read orders. So search up read orders and click that checkbox, and read products. So go ahead and search that up and click that checkbox as well. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Save, and then what we're going to do is click Install App. Now, once we do this, we're going to get access to our admin API access token. This is what allows us to connect this app to HighLevel. Now, we're going to reveal the token, go ahead and copy this, and I would recommend pasting this within a secure note document externally just so you don't lose it anywhere. We're going to go back to HighLevel, click Connect under our settings, integrations, and we're going to paste that API access token, and then we're going to find the name of our store and paste it here as well. That way we can connect our store to HighLevel. It may take a second to connect. I had to refresh. And then once you refresh and you're in settings, you should see that Shopify connection saying that your store is now connected to HighLevel. Now, to set up this email, what we're going to do is go to Marketing Email Templates, and we're going to make a new abandoned cart email. Now, once you do this, we already have this little bit of a template set up. We're going to throw in the shopping cart element. That way we can actually see what elements were in the person's cart when they abandoned. And we're going to say that. Now, before we can get this to work, we need to go ahead and build an automation. So we're going to head to automations, and we're going to build a new workflow in order to make this abandoned cart / checkout thing work. Now, in order to make this work, now that we have our Shopify connected, we should see under triggers, if we scroll down, the Shopify workflow triggers. The one that we're going to do is abandoned checkout. You'll see it right at the top here. We're going to go ahead and click that, and we're going to leave the settings the same. We're just going to keep it at a 10-minute duration for if somebody has abandoned their checkout. Once we have this set up, we're going to go ahead and add an action. The action that we're going to add is to send an email. Obviously, this is an abandoned cart email, and we're going to select that abandoned cart email template that we already made. We're going to go ahead and fill in this crucial information. And after we've done that and added in a subject line, we're going to save that, and we will be just about good to go. Let's go ahead and publish this, save it, and now this should be working just about well. Now, let me show you exactly how this works. I'm going to head to my Shopify store, add an item to my cart, and then we're going to go ahead and click checkout. Now, in the checkout, when a customer, obviously we're testing this, but when a customer goes through this and inputs their email as well as their information, and maybe they don't go through the entire process, they don't click pay, they don't finish the checkout process, this is where it's going to launch this workflow. Now we're going to X out of this page, technically abandoning our cart / checkout, and then we're going to wait 10 minutes to see if that email comes through. So I'll see you in a second. All right, so we are back. I'm going to head to my email, and as you will see right here, we have this abandoned cart email that we set up earlier. I also added in a little button there to link to our store. So we know that worked properly. Now, before we're finished, we want to make sure that Shopify isn't also going to send out an abandoned cart email. So just to confirm that there's no other emails going out, go ahead and go to Shopify, search up automations, and you'll see, as mine is right here, there are no other automations set up, so we are good to go. If you're on possibly a different version of Shopify, this setting used to be in the checkout feature, so just search up the checkout settings, and you'll find it right there, where you can turn off the Shopify emails. Now, you might be wondering, why would we even want to use HighLevel's emails rather than Shopify emails? Well, the big deal is because they are customizable. So let's say, for example, we want to throw in a video with this abandoned cart email, maybe describing the product or saying, hey, we saw you abandoned something in your cart. Go back to our store so you can finish your checkout. You can do that within HighLevel. You can't make those types of custom changes within Shopify. Maybe let's even say that we want to add an image slider to add in maybe some photos of our products on models or our products in action, or maybe some photos of some other products. We can do that within HighLevel, within the email builder, but we can't make those types of customizations within Shopify. Now, the other reason we love using HighLevel in order to do this is because we also have our Shopify custom values. So if you go back to your workflow, you'll see all of these custom values that are already set within your contacts that are under this Shopify section. So you can make all sorts of customizations to your workflow actions based on Shopify. There's a lot of really cool features that you can use when you integrate HighLevel and Shopify together. So feel free to play around with the workflow actions, the emails, and all sorts of stuff to really amplify your Shopify business by using Go HighLevel. As always, I appreciate you watching this video, and if you have any questions, then just leave a comment.